Okay. Okay. Eigrp. Today I'm going to be doing a lesson about Eigrp. Eigrp is a routing protocol that was Cisco Proprietary until the year 2013. So Cisco Proprietary, meaning that it can only work on Cisco routers. But as of 2013, it has become an open standard. So I'm going to name some very important facts about Eigrp before I get into the configuration of Eigrp and how do all those facts combine to run Eigrp on a Cisco router. So the routing protocol is Eigrp. Eigrp. Or you could also say Eigrp or Eigrp, right? And Eigrp stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. And the reason why it is called an interior gateway routing protocol is because the routing protocol only runs on the interior of your network or of an enterprise. It does not go outside of your enterprise per se. So it is interior. It's interior gateway routing protocol. Now, the thing about Eigrp is I went over the concept of what an administrative distance is, correct? Not administrative distance. Autonomous system. An autonomous system, right? I'm going to call it ASN, or autonomous system number. Okay, an autonomous system number is a group of routers that are under the same administrator, that are under the same administration. So that is autonomous system number. So autonomous system is a group per se that is under the same administration. Correct? Administration. So that is the concept of an autonomous system. Now, in Eigrp or Eigrp, you have we have autonomous system numbers, correct? So autonomous system numbers in Eigrp would be from 1 to 65,535, correct? So from 1 to 65,535 are Eigrp numbers, are autonomous system numbers. Now, the rule for Eigrp is the autonomous system numbers have to be the same, right? So I came up with a slogan, and the slogan is Eigrp is the name, right? And then autonomous system numbers are the same. So this is a rhyme that I invented that describes Eigrp and autonomous system numbers. So autonomous systems are the same. You can say it again. Eigrp is the name. Autonomous system numbers are the same. Okay. We're gonna get into what this means in particular. Remember, Eigrp is the name. Autonomous system numbers are the same. Okay. Also, amongst Eigrp, the K values have to be the same. That's something we're going to get into, but I'm going to. That's something else. That has to be the same for EIGRP routers to become neighbors. So those are the parameters that make EIGRP to become neighbors. The atomic system numbers have to be the same, and the K values have to be the same. The K values have to be the same in order to establish adjacency. Because the goal is for the routers to establish adjacency amongst each other in order to exchange routes. In order to exchange routes. Now, also in EIGRP, we have 3 tables. Those tables are the routing table, the topology table, and the neighbor table. The routing table, the topology table, and the neighbor table. So EIGRP, you have the routing table, right, which is viewed. You view the routing table by typing in. Hold on. You view the routing table by typing in show IP route EIGRP. This is a keyword that you can plug in, but you can also just type in show IP route. You have the neighbor table, which is show IP EIGRP neighbors, right? Show IP EIGRP neighbors, right? That is the command that you enter in from the enable mode. The enable mode has a prompt like this: show IP EIGRP neighbors, and you also have show IP EIGRP topology, which to mention, this is where the feasible successor, you will see the feasible successor in this command right here, feasible successor. We're going to go over that, the concept of the feasible successor and the successor. These are the 3. These right here are the 3 commands that you use to view particular aspects on EIGRP, on the topology that's running on your router. It's these 3 commands, but the output from the commands, you have to know, you have to be able to read and interpret and comprehend in order so that you can maintain a healthy EIGRP network. We will continue and discuss more on EIGRP, but I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.